As usual, I will keep recording on for a moment because now usually people say what they want to say about things.
Okay, be quiet.
Pay attention to how the smell changes when you go from the outside to the inside.
Oh, okay.
Open your eyes and you can make the olfactory evaluation. It's Gould, but if you could try it out.
Please go everybody on the same side.
We had fun smelling the taxidermied animals.
You stopped filming?
No, I didn't.
It'd be better if we face this
No,
way.
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
We get loads of smells when we...
We would actually invite you all to take a few deep breaths.
My title is Smell Cultures.
Hey, you can go a bit further away.
We're going to enter our space and you'll have a minute to smell.
Okay, please go into this smell space.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
So you split into two groups.
Yes.
First you mark and describe the smells you encounter. You may use any kind of descriptions, including drawings and words.
Thank you.
My narration, Renata, I did like a description. Would be in a small. How and why did cleansing influence your sense of smell, if at all?
It really smells inside.
Smell the elevator. Describe what you smell. Slower. What about smell description? I actually smelled more than before. Maybe it's because like my heart rate's up, my blood pressure's up.
Thank you, everybody.